Man, we back with another video, man. Y'all see who the fuck finally out here now. Finally got this June bug out here.
Fucking daddy.
No.
Outside.
We outside. It feel great. Finna go cook again. Finna go for King, T.I., all them. Fuck that what? We outside, man. Oh God. But man, shit finna go down. Shit really going on. Finna get up with y'all, man. My dog birthday out there, Bill. Show him some, bud. Yeah. Stupid ass dude. Ugly ass bud, bitch.
How you record it?
Ugly.
Pocketbook.
Man, they ain't finna quake that bitch. Ooh. We finna bust his ass. Yeah, that kid.
You know what we doing, man? Outside working, man. Ain't no stopping.
Mississippi flavors in that bitch, you hear me? With some real cooks in that bitch, you know what's going on.
Man, that's it, man. Bug for real. Bug, tell you for real, man.
For real with that shit, man. For real. You bite into that shit, you gonna think you tasted that shit from KFC, you heard me?
Yeah.
Get with me, get loud, you heard me?
Oh, God. Man, what you doing?
I got the recipe.
No. You need to go get the ticket. That's what you need to go get.
I got the ticket.
That's what you need to go get.
They'll go get ticket.
You need to go to the after party.
You already know the fuck going on over here. We got the chicken wings. We got the fried deviled ass. They fire as fuck.
You know it.
Stop playing. Come and shop with them. You know the vibes.
You know
Big
it.
Texas in the building just flew in.
Right, where your camera at? You ain't doing shit.
Hold on, look. He trying to put me on the spot.
I ain't gonna lie, she has been taking videos though. Nah, she has. Yeah, see, she has. She been doing, She been doing the news. I give it to her.
Hold on, that's just one.
Right. I give it to her. That's my bad. That's Yeah. Oh God.
Yeah, I'm out here with you.
Yo, bean head ass.
Man, you get your pallet head ass on. Fuck wrong with you?
Ugly ass. Where that Hennessy drink at? You killed that bitch?
That bitch good as hell though. Y'all need to go check it later out, man.
Nah,
You
fact,
gonna
that
be
be
at my
hard.
party. I'm gonna throw a big ass party to all the Mississippians, man. Tampa, Florida. Man, y'all tap in next month.
Fact.
I'll be back with more details though.
Oh God.
That gel bag, she be going viral.
I like the sauce.
I know, I don't like it.
Shut up, dude.
You got the birthday ass ready?
Ugly ass.
You got the birthday ass ready, Cooper? You did run it.
Stupid ass.
Next song, DJ.
Stupid ass.
Look, Denny. This bitch stupid.
It ain't sit up better than too bumpy.
Man, get out my room, man.
Man, you gonna get your ass.
Man, get your ass out my room, bro. Man, get out, bro.
You crazy. Look at this shit. Look at this bitch.
Oh, yeah. Get out my room, bro.
Nah, hold on. Chill out, man. Don't do that.
Man, that bitch fire as fuck.
This is not doing much.
Oh, God. B&B. Man, open the door, man. Are you serious?
Yeah, open it up.
Oh, shit.
Back at that. I can't see shit.
Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Bug, ugly. Day, what up, man?
What's up?
Man, it been so hard. Man, close the door, though.
Me at Smooth Baby Day 318.
Shut up.
We turn up this year. Going crazy, man. You see me going.
Man, add me on goddamn IG. Also home, man. You know what I'm saying? Them double E. That nigga tape look like double E ugly.
But your ass look like an oh so stupid ass. Show you how to crib, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, this shit so. Man, this shit is certified. Man. Oh yeah. Man, get out my room, bro. Man, can I help you, bro? Get out. Get out, bro. Get out. Get out my room, bro. Get out my room, bro.
Big possum back there.
Get out my room, bro. You smell like gooch. Oh, God. A little backhead. Fuck you.
Man, look, my nigga, you home? Hey, man. Who eats that shit? How many fucking times I said it, nigga? Hey, don't.
Ugly.
I don't need cameras and shit. Like, niggas do that. Oh, yeah. What, man? Get your nasty ass out
Man.
of my face. Breast smell like booty cheek.
You look like booty cheeks.
Like an extinct species of beaver. That nigga you might wear shit in my face.
Your ass look.
Hey, this nigga like he shit. What's he when he get up out there?
Your ass look like a bag of shit. Shut up.
Like he
Bro,
get
you
strong.
might as well.
That's the bitch you
Stupid ass.
You might as well.
Man, you don't get the motherfucking Texas chainsaw massacre looking
But
at
kill
you.
yourself.
Bro.
But kill yourself.
Not in my room. Man,
If you wonder where I've been looking at
stupid ass.
you don't get your motherfucking.
Man, them bitches, look, you need to do them bitches have been through
Oh,
them.
we gotta go get a new one tomorrow.
You're right. Oh, yeah.
Let me think of something real quick. Let's think of something. Well, you know,
Man, I worked in these, bro.
I worked in mine too. What this nigga look like?
Hey, what's that cucumber from VeggieTales? That what his damn look like. VeggieTales looking at.
What? I don't know what part, but
Hattie Bird. He said a big hat. Nigga cloud that Mississippi this bitch, right?
I was gonna go to school, but I got high.
Stupid ass. Man, what the fuck is Doug doing, man?
Some wings and some fries.
Stupid ass. Man, I know you lying. Doug, get the man. Y'all see what the fuck I gotta deal with? I get a fly ass room, and he wanna steal it. You bitch. Man, you got your own shower, damn it. Fuck you. Stupid bitch. Love you too, boy. Ugly ass. Yeah, no, that bitch stamp. For sure. Chef Dini in this bitch.
He said burger meat.
Really doing it. Chef Dini in this bitch. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Tell them this shit. What y'all say? This shit really going on.
All the time, this shit always going on. You know, anything going on for real. This shit really going on.
Oh God.
You know what I'm saying? Don't forget that too. You know what I'm saying?
You chefing?
Chefing, man. Chefing.
They ain't never seen young nigga cook them bang.
Uh-oh.
They look bang. I'm telling you.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. His beans go stupid.
I should've got some more motherfucking.
That boy, he been around Granny.
Yeah.
Granny made.
He been around Grandma.
Made.
Tell him.
Hey, and you can put a little bit of alcohol in it too.
You finna put some alcohol in that bitch? Eee.
I got it. Like, y'all know we type shit we need to start doing.
What's that? Stupid ass.
It's a bit like Red Lobster.
God
Like, you
damn.
know, a seafood stand. Nigga finna go to Joyce and they drink this.
Man, what? It's gonna be over with.
First shot. And
And I don't even drink. If you YouTube.
That bitch smooth.
I ain't never had that.
Oh God, I ain't never had that bitch either. I ain't never had that bitch.
It's alright.
He said, it's alright.
It's alright.
Making that face. It's alright. Ugly. Shut up, dude.
I'm the last.
You say you gonna be, did you just say you gonna be last so you running? Matter of fact, you next. You're next.
Man, that is disgusting.
You look like a shit.
Whoa.
Yep, them cups coming out.
I gotta put the sauce in there.
Fucker.
Get down this bitch, nigga.
Fact.
Yeah, stop playing.
Yes, they're really doing this shit, man.
Oh God.
Damn it.
Look at Bug.
Smoking Scoobies.
Oh yeah.
This is
Crazy
Scoobies.
gas and the shit not cheap.
School.
Better have a bag.
True school.
Better have a bag.
If it's not sealed, it's not the real one. If it's not sealed, it's
Oh
not
God.
the real one.
Tell them.
You gotta rip it.
Y'all ain't smoking like, if y'all ain't smoking like this, y'all ain't smoking at all. Tell them. They ain't smoking Scooby. They ain't smoking at all.
Yeah, my dog with it, grab that, man.
You feel me?
Cow.
This shit gonna give you like Thelma looking for your
Come
glass.
on, man. Yeah. She know, yeah.
Jinkies, nigga.
Tell that shit on the floor.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
Yeah. What up, man?
Ain't no pussy bitch, bitch, we want niggas dead. They ain't do shit about it, so it's fucking fans. Bro took one to the head, so you know it's bloodshed. Nigga took my brother, that's on beat, I'm tryna cut it. Yeah, ass nigga, but they ain't no time for that. Ain't gonna need recover, straight up, that's got it, but it's got me back. I'm steady going through it, but I can't get my brother back. Kicking out my mind, I had to ask, I don't know how I yeah, I'm my brother down in Z19X, switch attack. Please don't pull up on this car, for I push your nose back. Well, track.
Back and cut. What it is? Feel me?
He wasn't even, they feel like Screwy G.
What?
That nigga hard. You know what I'm talking about? Screwy G, finna put you on. He went Indiana, that nigga hard. He feel like one of the Chicago niggas. He ain't doing the nigga right
Hey,
now,
dog.
LBG nigga. Them niggas always good. Huh? Them niggas stay bitch.
Duck, shut up, dude. Ugly. Shut up, dude.
But yo, like elbow grease.
Yo, that look like you produce elbow grease. Stupid.
Like feet skin water.
What? Man, we finna go get that dripped up. No. What? Why? Shut up, bro.
I jumped me last night, bitch. That motherfucking screwdriver head. Like you was supposed to be on the hood too, be moving ugly.
Look, he ran. He ran. ugly dude.
T.I. brother on ATL.
Hey man, we pulled
What the fuck, man? What you need?
That nigga trying to hide like he in the devil egg, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's do it. Yes, sir.